Lamasuna Yamina Daba Adasama Wamaye Anani Yamina Sumno Islamasuna Yamina Daba Adasama Wamaye Anani Yamina Sumno Ano Yamina Wakande Aye Bakunti Nisum Siya Baku Wenzi Yammo Azamani Kamshenye Muhammad Sayaya Yabedifo
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته Enuanom ne adɔfonom yɛsrɛ Allah ɔnhu nyina mmɔbɔ na ɔmfa ne nhyira n'adom ne n'asomdwoe ɛmu nyina yɛso daa. Nyankopɔn adom ɛnɛ nso so yɛasan ahyia bi mu a na ɛyɛ mosomfo Imam Adubɔfoɔ ana me ne mu ahyia yi. Ɛnɛ yɛasɛm a yɛba abɛdi ho nkɔmmɔ no asɛm ne ti ɛne sɛ the superiority of the Holy Quran. Quran no ɛna ɛdi mu ɛkyɛn nwoma ɛnkaeɛ nyinaa. Quran kronkron no ɛyɛ nwoma a Otumfo Nyankopɔn ɛnam ɔbɔfo Gabriel so ɛyidi ma ɔkɔmhyɛni a yɛfrɛ no Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam within a span of about 23 years ana Nyankopɔn yi saa nsɛm yi ɛde maa no. Quran no ekura 114 chapters. Na all the chapters no ekura a phrase bi a revelation which we shall talk to it some other time. The phrase is Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, in the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Except one chapter, which is chapter 9, because chapter 9 is a continuation of chapter 8. Now, topic we know, answer to us, no topic we know, no enchemu bese enai anase num, depending on say the kasa no ebekono. Ene topic no, we are centered on the name Quran and the other names, because maybe jitum say the name no and the other names no are very significant. They have some significance. The name Quran no a lot of significance and great significance bia ehunya say yetwe enipa adwene koso. In fact, Mesanso Jitum said the name Quran na nkasakra no, it serves as a prophecy in itself. The name itself serves as a prophecy, which I shall speak to later. Enti ene your program no, it is only centered on the name or names. Na me ka say Quran no 114 chapters. Every chapter starts with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim except chapter 9. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim na say in the name of Allah, the gracious, the merciful. Me sha say wo Nyankopɔn din ono oyo odomfo na oyo mobrohunfo. Quran no the first verses are Otumfo Nyankopɔn eyidima okomhyɛni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Chapter 96 verse 2 to 6. Iqra bismi rabbika alladhi khalaq. Ose kenkan ewo wurade no a obɔ ade anu din. Khalaqal insana min alaq. Ono a obɔ onipa efri emujatoa mu. Iqra wa rabbukal akram. Kenkan wurade no de oyenimunyamfo. Alladhi allama bil qalam. Ono a ɔkyerɛ onipa atwerɛ. Allama al insana ma lam ya'lam. Na ɔkyerɛ onipa de na onim. Saa ensɛm yi ene nsɛm a edikan a Otumfo Nyankopɔn edikan yiye ede ma okomhyɛni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sa ensɛm we say so ɛwɔ significance bi a meba so nemum yenkyerɛ the last verse so a otumfo nyankopon eyiye edema okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The last verse no so chapter 5 verse 4. No so there is a statement bi ewo mu a enne the last words are otumfo nyankopon yiye edema okomsheni no say al-yawma akmaltu lakum dinakum wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati wa raditu lakum al-islam dinan. Asiani say al-yawma enedei akmaltu lakum dinakum ana masha mesomnima. I have completed my religion for you. Wa atmamtu alaykum ni'mati, and have perfected my favors upon you. Ma dom no so no ma hye ma edi amamu. Wa raditu lakum al-islam dinan, na esom no so no ma to ni din Islam. Na se kire ni say efri tetetetentre dia otumfo nyankopon hye ase se osoma akomhyefo abawiase no. Yichira na oyima wonum ene akwankyera na wode ma nipa nyina no na eye esonkro no ana na nyankopon yi eho akwankyere de ma na bedru okomhyeni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na breso no ana nyankopon wie esom no ana woto din ohye na dom ne ma ede ma wonum ede ma enipa ana woto esom ne din se Islam. In fact ho te say obi esifie efie no a osi no plumber wom, mason wom, carpenter wom, electrician wom, painter wom, just nkrofo bebre ana eba ebeye adwuma wo fie nim. Na so won mo ba no mo beye adwuma no a yesi fie ni nyina awie apenti awie di nkane ne bibia akomo awie a ye disafo atum. Samre no ni ato efie ni din say efie your friend Asida house, efie your friend Ship house, efie your friend Jubilee house, efie your friend Castle. Samre no ni atudi efie your friend White House. Enti otumfo nyankopon si ni fie ni wiye no. Samre no ana odi edin eto so say your friend is edin no is a friend esom no Islam. Asekere ni say wono mo a wo bre won ho asehye otumfo nyankopon no na pedi ase. Na afei oma asomdwe so ba woni wonua no ntem. Enti obi a oye muslim no di dwumadi a otumfo di nyankopon de ahye ne nsa eye niema mienu se obema asomdwe aba oni ni nua ntem. Na afei obebre ne ho ase ahye otumfo nyankopon apedi ase. Enti efiri ni nyina no nyankopon yi kira wo yima a wonipa ni nyina no sa niema mienu anana ekofa ho. Ubebro no ase ahye nyankopon apedi ase na obema asomdwe aba oni enipa ntem. Tuwe eneye ensemu a itwato a otumfo nyankopon eyiye edema okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now first verses no nyankopon yima no a the first one is Iqra. Iqra no asichere eye command, kinkan, recite or read or proclaim or rehearse. Asichere ni say enipa emma no homodin suade. Quran no nyankopon de breyen no ne botaye baako ni say ebabua onipa ama onipa asuade akọ akiri. Ana say nyankopon ni emma onipa the command say emere nyina mu no onipa no onsuade enya nyamesumu adesua nko a ewiase adesua nso so hia na nipa ni nsuade nko nim na wo suade kọ no ema wo hu nyankopon ni tumi eni nanim onyam a oka ho asem ewo Quran mu say Iqra wa rabbukal akram wa nyankopon de oyenimunyamfo. No sa kan ansa na obeka we kura o kan say khalaqal insana min alaq. Emra wo kinkan no ana obehunu sede nyankopon kura no onipa obo no sede wosi bo onipa. The processor onipa famu akopem say obedru say oye nipa gisa wo kinkan. O say allama bil qalam onu wo kire onipa atwere. Ekire say enipa ebetworo bebre na ni nyina so no ye twera na ade bi hia nse ye twero no so ni yesua obi twero no na obi susua enti adesua eni atwere eni ensemu a otumfo nyankopon edi kan yi edema okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ebie wasaka kan wo say allama al insana ma alam ya'lam na se kire ni say emra wo sua emra wo twere wo sua na wo twere no eno ni boa wo ema wo say hu ade a na wonim enti Quran no ene Islam so no the botaye ba akopa ne say ebebua onipa ama onipa nya nimdie and ye ba be ka sanse we say no gidi say obeti sa ensem na say the significance of the first verses of the Holy Quran and they say Yankopon pese onipa sua de Yankopon pese onipa kenkan Yankopon pese onipa mo emre nyina no atwerede a ya twera to ho no emane njae to ho ombia ngomani na onkan na onhu ono ankasa no na debɔ anase ono ankasa ne moye se di esitie na aboa no ama na hunu Yankopon n'animunyam na aboa no ama na hunu Yankopon ne tumi aboa no ama na hunu otumfo no a ɔbɔ ade bɔ soro ne asase ani ne ewu mu nyina no ɔbɔ the universe no ama na timi ehunu no we the significance of the first verses of the Quran. Yakane sa no edin a otumfo Nyankopon ade ato Quran no so no Al-Quran. Edin na se kire ne say what is the significance of the name and does the Quran have other names? What are those names? What are their significance? These and other matters ana ene yeba besua ho ade ansana no yensha ne nso se Quran yi ekura 114 chapters said the medical aka no afei esan so a complete book, a complete and perfect book, unlike other revealed books and claims say a perfect and claims say a complete. No, the Quran claims to be perfect and complete. We shall speak about it. Afei, it has about 700 commandments, 700 laws. In the Islam, we say law, and Arabic we say law. You say Sharia. Aya ne binum ka say Sharia law, Sharia law. Sharia o ka say Sharia law. Why a tautology? Sɛdeɛ wobɛka no wasantim sɛ emra na wonka sɛ emra law no saa na woka no woka sɛ sharia law a ɛte sɛ deɛ waka sɛ emra law sharia na nkasa na se kyerɛ yɛ emra enti yɛnka embum saa na mmom yɛka no sharia anaasɛ wobɛka sɛ emra anaasɛ wobɛka sɛ law ti yɛnhyɛ no so na Quran ne nkoa no ekura about 700 commandments and all of them are for the guidance of mankind. Afei Quran no ekasafa bibia ho. Ekasafa bibia ho. Medika aka say the first verse say de ma ye ni kire say yensua de. Na de sua no susu Quran de amaye. Nemom yensua no Quran na boso a kire ye no. Na yenhwehwɛ mu enunti no say allama al-insana ma lam ya'lam yenhwehwɛ mu a yebɛhwehwɛ mu no aboa yɛn am yakɔ akɔhunu de na yɛnim enti yɛbɛkenkan saa chefa no Quran chapter 16 verse 90 Surah An-Nahl asɛm a otumfo Nyankopɔn ɛka ɛne sɛ a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Osi wa yawma nab'athu fi kulli ummatin shahidan alayhim min anfusihim. Osi na kai brenu a onu Nyankopon no obeyi nipakuo bia mu adansefo afi wonu ankasa mu. Wajina bika shahidan ala haula. Ni ebeyi won so se odansefo ewo sa nipakuo yi mu no. وَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابَ نَيَيَّسَنِ أَمُّمَيْ دِيَامَوْ تِبْيَانًا لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَهُدًى وَرَحْمَةً وَبُشْرَى لِلْمُسْلِمِينَ na saa amumai no eyenchirichirimu ma bribiara. It explains everything. Wahudan akwankyere. Wa rahmatan rahma ahumobro adom. Wa bushra and a glad tidings lil muslimin edema muslim for no. Yekase muslim ase de medical kyerem no. Obi a obre ne ho ase ehye otumfo Nyankopon na pedi ase na oma asomdwe ba nipam and your friend a Muslim. And the Quran no the Quran does not leave anything out for the Muslims. And whenever a Muslim is explaining anything, the first point of call is the Quran. Of course, just as the first verse say you should read. Monking kind. By reading the Quran, you read the secular knowledge, which say it will support what the Quran has said. And meaning say when we go to the other parts now, you will understand what I mean, inshallah. And the Quran no HRH 114 chapters, about 700 commandments, and a law for the Muslims or for the world. Obi a opese onya emra odi bebu ne man, onya emra odi benya kwankyere, onya emra ebema ni morality agina bi akwankyere ewo sikasem ho, akwankyere ewo bibia ho no, amamuo hu ni bibia ho no, ubenya no Quran konkoni. Okay. Yahu ni sa no. Afei yensha ne nso say Quran said the medical canon, it was revealed in about 23 years from Allah Almighty through the angel Gabriel to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Yahu ni sa no. Yensha di bin so say Quran no eye nwoma Muslim for eno ne yede ya asori. Ye use Quran no ana yede ye asori. Na sɛdeɛ munim sɛ yɛyɛ asɔre mprenum da ko no asɔre mprenum da ko no a yɛyɛ no yɛyɛ asɔre biara yɛkenkan Quran no. You cannot pray in the form of the Islamic prayer without reciting the Holy Quran. And I will come to the point Sama Quran, one of the miracles on the Quran, Emma enipa kwan Emma nitimi memorize the whole Holy Quran in his memory. We shall come to that some other time. Na said the yin no Quran no na eyi chira Nyankopon de bre okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam through the angel Gabriel. Na mre bia obeyi edi ama okomsheni na okomsheni na ankasa o memorize oyi edigu na kuma so anase oyi ema eka ne tirim. Na afei wabekenkan a kire na chidifo no. Eti komsheni na ankasa na chidifo mu no so no ne ye nipa mpempempempem a wonu nso so na wonu nim Quran no wonu tirim. Quran ni na free na hyase kusi na wiye ewo wonu tirim. Enei ye woni nipa mpempempempem a wonu ewo Quran ni nyina ewo wonu tirim. A mi ankasa mi nua baako ye friend no Hafiz Salim Ahmed or a medical doctor or say Hafiz actually you can say Hafiz da obi a Quran ni nyina ewo ni tirim. Hafiz or your ba nso a ye say Hafiz da enti ye wo ma bebre a Quran ni nyina wo mutrim ye wo merima bebre a Quran ni nyina wo mutrim. This is one of the miracles of the Quran, and it is also a way a Nyankopon no ankasa yidi ama Quran no say to protect it. Yet also mienu ene say efrimra Nyankopon yi Quran no de ma okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no, there has not been a single distortion. There is no contradiction in the Quran, and I will prove that to you. Some of the contradictions are nipa ni bika say a contradiction in the Quran no, I will prove it to you, say they are not contradiction at all, inshallah. And there is no distortion, and the same words which were revealed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam are the same words I want to ene. You should note that. Now, Emra Nyankopon eyi Quran ne ma komsheni no said the medical can na oyima no ana nso so kenkan kire na chidi for no on ma tra to ho. They wrote them on leaves, on stones, and on bones and other things. And after komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam Nyankopon efa no koye no and that's ofiri asasi so no. The first Khalifa Obaya ye friend Abu Bakr. Ana onipa bia ye friend Hadrat Omar radiyallahu anhuma. Nyankopon ehumobro emu wonu mienu eso. A wono so ebeye Khalifa no otoso mienu. Ye ka se Khalifa o ye na se kire odiadini obed omo di okomsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam na die khalifa odi kan no ana sa Hazrat Omar obeye khalifa otoso mienu no e suggest man say ebeya anka yan compile we should compile the Quran in a single text, in a single book. And after the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Abu Bakr ana odi kai compile the first book of the Holy Quran. Ono nechi Hazrat Omar bai, ono susu be yusu sa Quran. Na ono nechi no ana Quran no ko di okumsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam ne yiri bia ye frɛ no Hafsa bint Omar Hazrat Omar na kasa no ne baba Quran no ekodi no ho enti khalifa otoso miensa ne baaye no ye friend Hazrat Uthman radiyallahu anhu baaye no ana o share say yenye Quran no test no yenye no several copies na yemfa nkokoko other regions na yebefa ne say yewo ambassadors of the khalifa no oyiyi eniadefo ewo amaya hodo so no oma ye several copies of the Quran e dey come ma wo na the ma encourage ni kra se onye sa copies ni say muslim fo no ekon bi sa ekon no mu ye den pa enti ekoba say sabe ya yemma won ma wo masua Quran no nyina agu wo mutirim no enye one group na wo so Quran ni nyina ni wo mutirim so nye one group itimra wo yes wo course akon they used some we need that battle ne there na so no wo no mo na wo masua Quran no dodo agu wo mutirim no dodo na ewi e wo sa akon ni etima wo no suggest ma Hazrat Uthman say yanya a lot more copies of the Quran na enipa no bebre ensua Quran no ansua ngu on mutirimu a emre bi beba enipa don no a won ye hafi won masua Quran ni nyina gu on mutirimu so won mu nyina wu a anhwe a Quran no ebepepa afri asase so wa bra Quran no so nyankopon se obebo ho ban no enti ema Hazrat Uthman share say ofresa hafi fo ni nyina Emma won nyina betena ase and ye fa the first copy na Hazrat Omar ye no e de to ho and ye fa all the ya tro verses companions won ma tro e de ato ho no ye fa ni nyina de bae and ye hwe ho e de ye other copies of the Quran ni ye cheche de koma different regions Muslim for e wo no enti that copy no and anyini afi ya binya a simple test like this. Quran ni no ebubo enwoma hodo bi nsusu din. Quran ni bo enwoma bi te say Zabur, which is the American say Psalms, and I say the book of David. Ebo enwoma bi te say Torah, and I say the Pentateuch. Torah no ana anka wohwem pa dia anka the Pentateuch. The Pentateuch ni the 5 books of Moses. The 5 books of Moses no Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Deuteronomy and Numbers. Sub books yi ana the 5 books of Moses law edema the Jewish people. Enti Quran no ebodin. But no it is almost say some translations, and I say most translators translate the Torah as the Old Testament. But the Nokremuni say, ukase Torah only the book of Moses. Books are nyankopon yidima Moses, and yichira nyamidima Moses. Tiensha nenso. Ana afi obo Injil nunsu yichira nyankopon dema Anabi Isa alayhi salam. But and also has come to be accepted by some translators say the New Testament, but the New Testament in say Paul enkwa about 16 books, so we cannot regard the New Testament as Injil. The Injil would have been the Gospels, but even the Gospels they do not contain only the words of Jesus. They contain the words of the disciples. They contain the words of the narrators. And these are subjects actually you become one. But the Injil ni the literal meaning ni yichira Nyankopɔn de ma Anabi Isa alayhi salam and I say odema Yesu Kristo. And afei ebo bibi say Suhufi Ibrahim. Suhuf Ibrahim and also I know say yichira Nyankopɔn de ma Anabi Abraham. Enti yenhye nso. Afei yaka we nyina awie no. Yemra the name Al-Quran. The name Al-Quran no. The first thing I will say about the name of the Quran no, and say the name is found in the Quran itself. The name Quran no, is found in the Quran itself, and it is mentioned in several places of the Holy Quran. Just as a proof to show you, say the name Quran no, is found in the Quran itself. But why is that significant? I'll tell you. I'll say, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Surah Al-Yusuf, Quran chapter 12, verse 1 to 3. I'll say, Alif Lam Ra. Tilka ayatul kitab al-mubin. These are the verses of the Kitab al-Mubin, the book, the clear book. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan. We have revealed it, the Quran, Arabiyan, la'allakum ta'qilun, so that you will understand. So the name Quran is mentioned in the Quran. Then the language in which it was revealed is also mentioned in the Quran. This is one unique feature about the Quran. Say, ubenya ni din ewo no ani nwuma ni mu. Na fe the language a yeyi ni wo mu no so ubenya no enwuma no emu. This is one unique feature about the Quran. Why is it is significance ni say? Because ye jitum say eya nwuma efri otumfo Nyankopɔn ho. Se Nyankopɔn ana de nwuma no e ma yen dia. E wo so omu Nyankopɔn no wo tu nwuma ni din. Onu Nyankopɔn no ode nwuma ni ma yen no. Onu na wo so wo tu nwuma ni din. Efri se obi asa wo ba wo na wo tu ba din. Na sa wo ba na so obi foforo ba na obeto eba ni din ma wo a ye bebu kwase ampanyini. Eti wo a wo ba no wo na wo to ba din. Eti Nyankopɔn no a wo de enwuma ne ma ye no ono na wo to ne nwuma din. Enti se ye ka se Bible efri Nyame dia yen tiase na yen hwehwe se ana Nyankopɔn no an wo de sa din ni ma ye ana se nipa na de sa din because man has no share in the guidance of mankind towards God. Esom no enunti na asantum ye se Nyankopɔn som Nyame som enye nipa som. Se ye nipa som dia nipa ne ma akwankyere na se ye Nyankopɔn som dia Nyankopɔn no an wo ma akwankyere. Enti Islam som no otu onu Nyankopɔn no an wo to din e wo Quran ni mu. Quran na nkasa so onu Nyankopɔn no an wo to din e wo Quran ni mu. Na afi the language a Nyankopɔn yi enwuma ni wo mu no so no Nyankopɔn aka kyerɛ say oyi no Arabic kasem. And this is one reason why we do not accept any translation. I mean any book or claims or Quran, but it comes only with a translation without the Arabic. We do not accept that. This is one of the significance of the name Al-Quran. Say it is mentioned in the Quran itself. Because and most of the time, most of the chapters, the beginning of it goes in what say this is a Quran. This is a Quran. This is, but it has other names which I'm going to go to, inshallah. The other thing, and it say the significance of the name Quran, and it say the meaning of the name Quran actually say to recite, and I said that which is recited, that which is read, that which is rehearsed. All of these are meanings of the word. And untina the first verse Nyankopɔn yidima wa komcheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam no say iqra. It is from the same word, from the same root. Iqra. And we used to say Quran. Iqra. We used to say Quran. Iqra no a verb. Ana Quran no a noun. And he was saying Iqra no say read. rehearse, rehearse, recite. All of these are meanings. Al-Quran actually say that which is recited, that which is read often, that which is rehearsed often. These are the meanings of the Quran. And I say the name is a prophecy. The name is a prophecy in a sense, say, the Quran will be the only divine book that will be recited most, that will be read most, that will be rehearsed most, will be rehearsed by all people in the world. And I say will be rehearsed throughout the world. I think that is the right way I have to put it. The Quran will be the only divine book which will be rehearsed, or which will be read, or which will be recited across, all over the world most of the time. And indeed, the Quran is the only revealed book. Every time the Quran is being recited, every time. And let me just give you a little gist, a little proof to draw your attention to it. On say Muslim for sorry imprenum 5 times a day. And Muslims all over the world, just as I said in the beginning, to pray, to say your salat, you cannot say your salat without reciting the Holy Quran. This is one. Say ya memeti ha make say salat ni no. Ye 5 times. 5 times we know say the whole world is not with a single time. Baby one time say obi or Ghana and I say West Africa. West Africans have their own time. Obi the western part of the world they have their time. The eastern part of the world they have their time. The northern part have their time. The southern part have at every point in time time na ewo wiase na enyepe. Enti meme heya sabri ade achi Ghana for mother. Meme wo Samoa Island. Sabri a meme ha no ade achi Ghana for ada. Eya anadwo ewo Ghana a o mother. Enti that time no Ghana for ada no obi beka se na sa Ghana for ada ho yenkenkan Quran. Eya no kre yenkenkan Quran at that time. But emra won mother no meme ha na yanyane no yensusu ye salat a yenkenkan Quran. Enti the name Al-Quran look say that which is recited most. And I said that which is recited at all times. This is one meaning. Enti mra me susu me koda no obi susu nyane. Emra de achi me no me no obi susu wa anwumre. Omo so koye salat and they pray 5 times a day. 5 times. These 5 times no obi de anopa time so no obi susu de awia time aso. And I say obi dia no paso ye no na enche na obi susu de awia ebeso nto ono na no pa ni si ye na no awia de na ba awia de ni si ye na no na the asr time no ensusu de ebeba eno no si ya na eno aba eno fi wa na magrib fi wa na isha enti ono no kwa akoda no na me nsusu ade achi ye wo se ye me faje enti me ha ebo anopa 5 and 5:30 I sorry I am anopa sorry no a sabre no na abo anwumre 4:30 ewo Ghana anopa 5 wa ha no na abo anwumre 4:30 ewo Ghana enti omo no ye omo asere ni wie na sabre me so me be ye me faje. And all of us are going to use the Quran. Enti the Quran says the name Quran means that which is recited most, that which is recited at all times. And I say that it is a prophecy, which means at a certain point in time, in the world, every group of people, and I say everywhere in the world, it is going to prove, the Quran will be recited more than any other divine book, which is a proven fact. I know, there may be other interpretation of the name, which I say is a prophecy, no, which other people may know. So when some of these interpretations are, you can add it to the comment section. Now in the Quran has several names. Of course, mean to me names because names not a dozen, but I'll try my best to talk about most of them. Names, they are also personal names of the Quran. They are personal names of the Quran. To say Al-Quran, say the medical can be actually. Al-Kitab, Al-Qalam, Ar-Ruh, Tanzil, An-Nur, Al-Qawl, Al-Wahy. These are some of the names, are personal names of the Quran. Some of the names they are attributes. They are attributes. These attributes, no, the Quran how the Quran comes to us. Quran no ofaso dan ne ho adi ekire bako Al-Karim. The Quran comes to us as a noble book, a noble. Bako Al-Majid, Al-Aziz, As-Sidq, Al-Haq, the truth. It comes to us as the truth. It portrays truthfulness to us. That is an attribute of the Quran. Ajab, Al-Mubarakah, a blessing. Ilm, knowledge. Ilm, we shall go into all of these with names, and also all of these names are mentioned in the Quran itself. All of them are mentioned in the Quran itself, so we shall go into all of those names. The Quran has some influential qualities. Influential qualities which refers to the relationship the Quran has with men. The first one here, attributes, and only here how the Quran comes to us, how the Quran portrays itself to us. But the Quran has another influential qualities. Influential qualities, they say, how it influences our life, how the relationship the Quran has with man. And also al-huda, guidance. The Quran have a relationship with man by giving guidance to man. Ar-Rahman, Ar-Rahman, mercy, atom, mobro. Say obi a ode na adwene ko Quran so usua no ponder over it no. Yankopon humobro eba no so we shall read these verses. Adh-dhikr, dhikr just a reminder, and I say yes. It means a reminder, it means admonition, and several other meanings. Al-maw'idha, an admonition, a futu. Quran no, the relationship it has with men, and it's a tunipafu. Al-bayan, an explanation. It gives clear explanation. The relationship the Quran has with us is it gives us explanation in everything. And I'm going to go into them, inshallah. Ashifa, ayarisa, it is a cure. And I'm going to, go into it. At-tadhkira, al-mubin, al-balak, al-bashir, and al-nadhir. It is a glad tidings. It gives us glad tidings. And a warner. It's also a warner for us. Al-Basair, An-Nur, Al-Furqan. These are some of the names. Matrotra, Mpese, Medanedi, Edechre, Etifo. Mede Enediano Ebisiha, but Shiami Echna, not say young Kosa, Edin Audui, and their significance. all these names have certain significance and they are not for nothing. We shall go into them and you will understand why the Quran is called by these names, why the Quran has these attributes, why the Quran have these influential qualities on man. We shall go into all of them. Yesre otumfo nyankopon onhu nyina mobo no fa ne hira na dum ene na sombie enwie nyina esoda. Yesre say mo subscribe to Ampa TV channel yi na mo share emankofo ensanka bi se de be ya adesua ene adekire bi ayede ba no enuanom so ebenya bi na ono so esua bi. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.